Good morning, all. I hope you had a good weekend. Happy Monday, and welcome to today's daily math. Patterning and algebra for today. Please grab your daily math do-a-ting, and when you come back, I will have the document camera going. Away you go. Alrighty, crew. Hopefully everyone has their pencil and eraser ready. Let's take a look at number 1. What should replace the blank to make the following equation true? So 18 divided by 3. Wonder, you got to figure out what that is. And then we find out 42, 7. So we want both sides of these to be equal because that's what the equal sign means. Are we going to add 42 and 7 to be equal to whatever 18 divided by 3 is? Are we going to subtract 42 minus 7 to make it equal? Or 42 divided by 7 to make it equal? Figure out which symbol and circle A, B, or C. Number 2, predict the 16th animal that will be in this pattern. Koala, dinosaur, elephant. Koala, dinosaur, elephant. So you can see it starts repeating at koala. So in order to do this, I would start counting, and you're obviously trying to figure out what the 16th one would be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep going till you get to 16 and circle the letter of the correct animal. Number 3, what number comes next? 989, 979, 969. You should have been able to hear the pattern. Number 4, create a shrinking pattern. So this is something that's getting smaller, shrinking. And number 5, calculate the value of B. So B times 5 minus 10 equals 90. We need whatever is on this side to be equal to 90. So first of all, we have to figure out now this, whatever B times 5 is, minus 10 is going to be 90. So if we covered this up, that tells us that some number minus 10 is 90. So if you were to write that down to help you start to figure this out, some number minus 10 is 90. What number do you take 10 away from to get 90? Hopefully you all said that'd be 100. So that tells you that B times 5 has to be 100, because when you take 10 away from 100, you're left with 90. So what number do you times 5 by to get 100? This part has to be equal to 100. Pause your video, and when you come back, we'll go over the answers. Okay, welcome back, crew. Marla has joined me to help us go over the answers. Hopefully she can get these right.
Probably not.
Okay, number 1, what symbol will be in there?
Definitely A.
Marla thinks A. What do you guys all think?
I don't know.
Oh, Marla, come on now. It's actually C. So 42 divided by 7 gives you 6. 18 divided by 3 gives you 6. It had to be divide, Marla.
Sorry.
Oh boy. Okay, number 2. Predict what the 16th animal in that pattern would be. So will it be our koala, our dinosaur, or our elephant?
Definitely a chimpanzee.
Oh, Marla, a chimpanzee isn't even an option. She just isn't paying attention, crew.
No, I'm pretty sure it's a chimpanzee.
I disagree. I'd say it's a koala. I'll show you how we got that, Marla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16th animal was a koala.
No, I'm pretty sure it's a chimpanzee.
Oh, don't listen to Marla, crew. Here we go. What number comes next? Woo, 989, 979, 969. Marla, what's next?
423.
Oh boy, she's not very good at patterning either, is she, crew? You're all yelling out. I can hear you. It's 9:59.
No way!
I'll help her with that one after. Okay, create a shrinking pattern. Marla, what do you think a shrinking pattern looks like?
I bet it's like when you get like some shrink art and you put it in the oven. I bet that's what it is.
Well, luckily these guys all know what shrink art is, so they understood what you're talking about, but no, not in math.
Oh.
In math, oh, we just have answers will vary. So a shrinking pattern could be, here's some options.
Well, my answers could be one of the answers because you said they will vary.
Okay, but in math, might be something like 14, 12, 10, big triangle, smaller triangle, smallest, and you're obviously going by size, but we could also have 3 circles, 2 circles, 1 circle, or for kids dealing with big numbers. Here's an example. So anything that's getting smaller. Alrighty, let's do the last question, crew, number 5.
Okay, I got this one.
Calculate the value of b. So we were trying to decide what number you times by 5 in order to get 100, because we know 100 minus 10 is 90. Marla, what do you think it is?
27.
Oh, she was close. She had the first number right.
I was really close there. I think that should count.
Yes, Marla, I'll give you 0.2.
Thank you.
So 20 times 5 would be your 100 minus 10, 90. I hope you all enjoyed those answers.
My answers were the best.
I will give Marla some math tutoring now. Goodbye.
Bye.